Hello again guys, today I'm sitting down to do a little haul video. So this is all stuff I've picked up recently from Louis Vuitton. If you are a subscriber of mine, you know that I love thrift shopping to find designer goods because you'll be so surprised at what you can find, especially secondhand websites even. A lot of people don't really know the value of what they're selling, if it's like heirlooms and so on. But of course I also like to treat myself occasionally. I wish they could do cuter bags. When they changed their bags to this orangey colour, I was so disappointed in like the blue. Well, you guys know I really am not a blue person. I don't like blue. I have always been one to keep my bags for things ever since I was like 16. I used to make collages of like MAC Cosmetics bags and stuff. I've always just been that person. So it does matter to me. I know like it seems so trivial to most people. You guys have probably seen too, it's like a trend nowadays to keep your bags from designer stuff. Like a ton of YouTubers do it and I see a lot of people just doing it in general on Instagram. I feel like you are paying for the packaging, especially these days, because people display their packaging and it's not a cute color. I'm sorry, Louis Vuitton, like make it better. They've actually given me quite a big bag for this item. So this is a pair of sunglasses. This is how these sunglasses come. So they've wrapped it up with some Louis Vuitton ribbon, which is very cute of them. They took it out the back and wrapped it up for me. Honestly, the color scheme, it is growing on me now that I have a couple of things from Louis Vuitton, but it'll still never be my favorite. I think brands like Chanel do it so much better. So you get a box like this. It's a really nice thick box. I don't know if I'm going to do a vlog, like a weekly vlog, until I go to Australia. So just intermission for me to tell you guys about this drink. Not spons, I wish it was. I think this is called LaCroix. I came to New Zealand recently. This is my new obsession. I have like a whole crate of it in my cupboard and it's calorie free. I get the peach pear. But yeah, I think the lemon one is supposedly the best. Sorry if that was bothering you guys. I cannot see what my hair looks like properly. I just set it at home blow dry. I'm getting so good at doing hair, I swear. Like you guys know, I have zero hair skills, but I've been teaching myself how to do certain things. Anyways, back to the sunglasses, like brief intermission there. So yes, they come in a leathery feel case. I have no idea if it's real leather or not. I didn't buy them for the case. It's ridiculous. So they come in a bag and they come in a slide out box. And then they come in this sunglasses case and then you open it up and there's another case in there. These sunglasses aren't a super recent purchase. I literally just got that bag. That's very recent. But I wanted to include these sunglasses because whenever I wear them in a Instagram photo or an Insta story or whatever, the amount of you guys that DM me is ridiculous. Like I can't even get back to everybody. I'm gonna have to write the style name down below because I cannot remember off the top of my head. And I used to know it because I had to Google it to reply to you guys, but I've totally forgotten it. I'm someone who researches stuff a lot before I buy it, but for these sunnies, that was not the case. I was just shopping with Chris, and I think Michael actually. I think he was in New Zealand, and we were just going around Tea Galleria, which is the place I held that event like a month ago, the designer mall. We were just having a browse. I tried these on, I fell in love with them. I actually tried on the tortoiseshell pair first because I'm partial to a bit of tortoiseshell, but it definitely suits my mum better than me. Like she suits tortoiseshell so well, whereas I think just plain black suits me better, and they are so nice. They have obviously the signature V's on the side. I love the detail on these little gold parts also because it has the little LV logo there on the top. Hopefully it will focus. It says Louis Vuitton. On the back of these sunnies here, there's a little symbol. It says it in here, it says made in Italy. Even the little screws like on the sunglasses have the symbol, and then obviously on the front it says Louis Vuitton and it has like a little, they're very extra, but I feel like for me personally, if I'm gonna buy a pair of designer sunglasses, I want everybody to know the designer and I don't care if that's obnoxious, because otherwise I'm just gonna go buy a pair from Glassons, you know? Like most of my sunglasses are super cheap, like 20 bucks a pair, and then I have one nice pair that's Karen Walker, which is tortoiseshell. So I already had a tortoiseshell pair. And then these ones, granted, were a little bit more pricey than the Karen Walker. So I will say the prices in this video, not in a breaky way at all. Hopefully by now you guys know I'm not like that at all. I honestly, it's like a pet peeve of mine when I watch a video, an unboxing or whatever, and people don't say the price of designer items. It's like a big no-no. I can understand it because it could come off wrong. But when you're specifically making a YouTube video about something, obviously people are interested in purchasing the product, or if people are like shopping designer sales, they just never say how much everything costs. Have you guys noticed that? So I'm gonna tell you, so these were about 600 New Zealand. For Louis sunglasses, it's not bad at all, honestly. Their sunglasses easily reach over 1,000. So I was surprised. They're so cute, but like I won't get them. And I asked how much they were and she said 600 and I was like, really? For what they are, that's not even bad. That's what I was thinking. And I have no regrets. I just, you know when you get that gut feeling that you really love something? I totally had it with these sunglasses and I just knew like, yes, these are gonna be in my wardrobe for like 10 years and I love them. I've worn them so much already. My hair's going flat because I'm getting all hot and sweaty, but they're so glam. I seriously love them. And they're so extra with the V's, but like I said, sometimes you've got to be obnoxious. Like, yes, these cost me an arm and a leg, so I want the brand to be visible. And I love the style of them too. They're quite vintage, and a lot of my bags are black and gold. Like, I have a lot of clothing and bags with gold hardware, so I think that it was a smart idea to get something with a gold embellishment. So those are the sunglasses. Like I said, I will write the proper style name down below because it totally escapes my mind. I feel like this fake fire is like making me think it's hot, but it's actually not. It's hot, but it's not. Oh my gosh, I just dribbled out myself. Now moving on to the more exciting recent purchase. So this is my first Louis Vuitton bag. I have a couple of bags that are like the monogram print that were gifts from family, but I'm pretty sure they're not real. Like, they just got them from markets in Sydney and stuff, and I'm like, hun, that's not real, I'm sorry. Yeah, they obviously don't count as like proper Louis Vuitton bags. I don't know, I'm still on the fence about this bag because I should have really got the classic monogram print looking back because it's a lot more durable. But if you guys know me and you know my aesthetic, I just die for baby pink, and it was so hard for me to walk away from this one. Well, clearly because I didn't walk away from it, I bought it. What do we have in here? Sleeve of some kinds. If you guys haven't bought from Louis Vuitton before, actually yes, you do get this every time because I remember getting this with my sunglasses. Oh, so this is actually handy because it has the style name of the bag. So this bag that I got is called a camera pouch, but you will see it's more of like a clutch bag. It's a stupid name because it doesn't even hold my camera, like it wouldn't fit it. And I got it in the Rose Ballerine, or it says Arbel, but I do remember, yeah, it was Rose Ballerine color. And it was 1.5 thousand New Zealand, which for a Louis Vuitton bag is phenomenal. Obviously, at the end of the day, for a bag, that is ridiculous, but in terms of Louis Vuitton, that's a very, very good price. I was feeling very bougie because I just got my tax return, so I was like, I'm rich. Spoiler, I'm not rich, but you know, that tax return money. So anyway, this is, sorry, I should have shown you properly, so it just slides out again. And here's the bag. I love the color. It's honestly washing out a little bit on camera. It is a very pastel pink. It would look so cute with this outfit actually. This is the Vernice leather, I believe. It's got a really high shine finish to it. It's very glossy, and like I said, this is the Rose Ballerine color. When I did that remix event and I hosted the shopping evening, I had my phone in there, I had all the stuff I needed, like lip color. I got a lot of compliments on this bag too. It's something different. I don't really see people with this bag ever actually. I just found it when I was looking on the website. And so I rang up Louis Vuitton to see if they had one available in the Auckland store, because often online what they have, it's not the same as in New Zealand. We only have, I think, one, yeah, I think just one Louis Vuitton store here. I went to the Australia call center and the woman said that they had one in the Auckland store, and I was like, so I was up in Auckland anyway for Christmas, so I, you know, just had to pop in and get it. But okay, wait for it. The cool thing about this bag is that it comes with stuff. So you know how slouchy kind of bags, they come with a pouch inside? This is even better, okay? Not only was this amazingly priced for what is essentially a clutch bag, it actually comes with a zip pouch, which is such an incredible deal. It's a really decent size. You can fit a phone in there. I have the iPhone 6 and it fits in there perfectly. Slot on the front for receipts or anything like that. You could obviously put cards in it, put a lippy in it. And then it also came with a card holder, which is amazing. So there's a slot in the front and then obviously the middle part, and again it says Louis Vuitton Paris on it, all in the Rose Ballerine color. And they do offer monogramming on these. They offered it to me on the day, but because I was only up for a couple of days, I wasn't sure if it would be embossed in time, so I said no. But these items do count towards the monogramming if you wanted to get your initials on it. With the Vernice leather too, it comes with its own little cleansing cloth, which is good because it is a more delicate fabric, and then a little guide on how to clean it. Without warping the bag too much, I hope you can see inside. There's a very decent amount of space. I don't think there's like a side pocket, but I guess that's why it comes with the little zip wallet and everything. And then it comes with a really decent length chain, which is awesome for me because I'm tall. I can wear this bag crossbody if I wish. It's super easy, it just clips literally onto the little loops on the bag. I just love this bag. So if you are looking to venture into Louis Vuitton and you want to start with a lower scale item in terms of price, but you don't just want to get like a little key holder or something, I think this is such a good deal because you get a crossbody bag. You know, you can fit everything in there. I know it looks quite small on camera, but you can fit your phone, lippy, whatever. I can't quite fit my vlog camera in there, but it's quite a like beefy one, so it's like not even a camera bag for me, but you know, still write it off as a work expense. And you get the 2 extra items as well, which is so good. Like the card holders and stuff alone are at least a couple, I think they're more than a couple hundred. So I hope you guys did enjoy this mix of videos I've been doing. It's a bit random. My dad's always made fun of me because I'll save for ages and buy one really nice item, but then at the same time, like the rest of my wardrobe is all 50 cents thrifted stuff. He's just like, oh, you're such a dag, like he thinks I'm so funny for doing it, but that's always been me. I always like to mix and match. But yes, thank you guys so much for all the amazing feedback you've been giving me lately. I look forward to responding to your comments. Bye.